Hello children, today I am going to discuss about the cell reference and its types. So what is cell reference? The cell address that we use in the formula is known as cell reference. Okay, so cell reference are three types, mainly three types. First one is the relative reference, second is the absolute reference, and advanced is the mixed reference. Okay, relative, absolute and mixed reference. So today in this video I am going to discuss about the firstly relative reference. What is relative reference? Suppose here we write some numbers. Okay, so in this we use row number 5 to 10. Okay, find the sum of these numbers. And in B column also I am going to writing some number and find the sum of these numbers. So here we write only one time formula and we copy that formula in the next cell, so it automatically change the cell address. How is automatically change the cell address? Let's see. Here we write the formula. What is the formula to find the sum? Is sum. Then we start the braces and simply drag the cell address. Or you can write the cell address, that is A5, means starting position is A5. Okay, A is the column, 5 is the row, and we drag it. We drag it A10. Okay, you can see in formula A5 to A10, colon A10, means it start with starting position of this cell address is A5, that is A is the column, 5 is the row, and it's end with A10. 10 is the row and A is the column. After this we just enter the key. When we press enter the key, we got the sum of these cells. Now we want to follow this formula in this cell, means B11 cell. B is the column, 11 is the row. So what we have to do, we simply click on this, and here is, you can see, it's a square type box is there. It's a black color square type box. So when we put our pointer in this block, in this box, so our cursor is just like a plus sign. It shows just like a plus sign. So what we have to do, we just drag this next cell, means where you want to the same formula, we just drag it and relieve it. Okay, so you can see here is the sum is 21. Same formula, it can be copied. You can see, move the cursor in this 21 and check the formula bar. Check the formula bar. Here is the formula, is equals to sum. Now it changed the value. Value is means address. It just change the address automatically. Okay, B5 to B10. So B5 is the starting position of the sum of this cell, and B10 is the ending position where we want to get the sum. Okay, so clear that? When you put the cursor in A11, so its the formula is sum A5 to A10, A5 and A10, A column. Okay, when we put the cursor in second row, second column, so here automatically reference has been changed. Automatically, no need to change. We only write the formula in this cell, and when we drag it, it automatically changes the cell address, and same formula it copy the next cell. It's a relative reference. Clear? Let's see one more example of relative reference. So here I'm creating a table. Here is the name, so name A, B, C, D, like that, name of the students. Then in maths, English, computer, the marks of these three subjects are given there. Okay, so we have to find the sum of all the subjects marks, means sum of maths, English and computer. So what we have to do, we know what is the formula to find the sum, is equals to sum and drag the cell. We want to sum of maths, English and computer, so simply we drag from this side. Okay, drag from this side. How to drag it? Like that, only this cell. So when we drag it, so we want to sum of B6, C6 and D6. So here formula will be sum is equals to B6 to D6. Clear? After this, close the braces and click the enter key. So in first cell we find the formula. Now same formula we have to copy the next cells, because we just repeat the formula. Now we want to find the sum of these all these students. So here what we have to do, we just move our cursor or move our pointer this box, black box. So our cursor is now converted into plus sign. After this we just simply drag it with the help of mouse. Drag it at the last whenever you find the formula. Okay, so you can see here in all cells formula is there, means sum of the cells. So when we put the formula cursor here, so in formula bar sum is equals to B6 to D6. Clear? When we put our cursor next cell here, you can see here B7 D7 means it's a relative reference. It's automatically change the cell address. Formula is same, formula we copied and it automatically change the cell address. Not same address of the cell, it's change the address. Here is B8 D8. When we keep our cursor here, so here is B10 D10. B is the row, column and 10 is the row. So clear? Relative reference. Relative reference is the reference in which when you create a formula, reference to the cell or range are usually based on the position relative to the cell. Okay, so it automatically changes the cell address. So it's a relative reference. Okay, now talk about the absolute reference.